good morning one and all. Welcome to third standard math class. Regarding in the previous class, we have discussed about exercise 1.1 in the chapter 1 up to numbers up to 10,000. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about place value of digits, and also we are going to discuss about expanded form of numbers. Clear? Today in this class we are going to discuss about these two concepts. The first concept, that is place value of digits. Clear? So this is a very important concept, that is place value. Clear? What is the place value for ones place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, and also we are going to discuss about 10,000 place in the next class. Clear? Now it is a one number, that is 5,492. You already know that how to read the number. 1000 place we have to read separate, 100 place we have to read separate, ones place and 10 place we have to read together. That means 5,492. It is a number. Clear? You already know the Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. For first digit 2. Now 2 it is in ones place. Clear? Next 9 it is in 10 place. 4 it is in 100 place. 5 it is in 1000 place. Clear? 1000 place. We have to find out what is the place value of 2. The place value of 9. The place value of 4, and also what is the place value of 5. Clear? You have to find out the place value. First thing, you have to check that the digit in which place. It is in ones place, or it is in 10 place, or it is in 100 place, or it is in 1000 place, or it is in 10,000 place. Clear? Now first the 2 ones. Clear? 2 it is in ones place. That means 2 ones, 9 tens, total 9 tens, 4 hundreds and 5 thousands. See here, 2 ones and 9 tens and 4 hundreds and 5 thousands. Clear? 5,000. Now listen here. Now 2 it is in ones place. One place. That means 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. The place value of 2 is 2. The first one. Clear? Understood? The place value of 2 is 2. Next, the place value of 9. Clear? 9 it is in which place? 10 place. Understood? 9 it is in which place? 9 it is in 10 place. See here? 9 into 10. 9 into 10. 10 nines are 90. Understood? Therefore, the place value of 9 is 90. The place value of 2 is 2. Because 2 it is ones place, 2 ones are 2. The 9 it is in 10 place, 9 into 10, 90. Understood? Next, the place value of 4. The 4 it is in 100 place. Therefore, 4 into 100. Clear? The 4 it is in 100 place. 4 into 100. 100 fours are 400. Clear? Therefore, the place value of 4, that is 400. The place value of 9, 90. The place value of 2, it is 2. Clear? Next, the place value of 5. The is in which place? 1000 place. That means 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000. 1000 5s are 5000. Therefore, the place value of 5, it is 5000. Like that problem, it is comes in the exercise 1.2. You have to find out the place value of 4. The place value of 4 is 400. The place value of 5. The place value of 5, it is 5000. The place value of 9, it is 90. The place value of 2, it is 2 only. Understood? Now this is nothing but this is the place value of digits. In CWO, write the heading place value of digit and write up to this full. Whatever I written in the board except this one, this one, this one, this one. Don't want to write in CWO. Remaining you have to neatly copy it into the CWO. Now this is the place value of digit. I will tell one simple technique to find out the place value. Very simple technique. This one don't want in your. Now I will do writing board. That one don't want in CWO. This one as it is copy into the CWO. Now Mr. Here I will tell one simple technique. Using that technique you can easily find out the place value. Now listen here. 4964. For example, simple. 4967. It is a 4-digit number. Clear? It is a 4-digit number. Now we are going to find out the place value of 4. Place value of 4. So 4 it is in which place? 4 it is in 1000 place. 4 into 1000, 4000 will be the answer. Correct? Now one simple technique. Now listen here. Then what is the place value of 4? First write 4. We have to find out the place value of 4. Clear? After 4, now count the digit. 4 admele. After the 4, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. That means 30. Now this is the answer for first one. Clear? That is 4000. The place value of 4, it is 4000. Now come to place value of 9. See here, very simple. After 9, how many digits? 2 digits. 9. We have to find out the place value of 9. After 9, 2 digits. That means 20. The place value of 9 is 900. The place value of 4 is 400. Same as it is 60 Burma. The place value of 6. After 6, only 1 digit. That means only 10. Therefore, the place value of 6 is 60. Next, last 7. 7. After 7, no digit. Clear? That means no 0. Answer is 7 only. Clear? By this simple technique, you can easily find out the place value. That means place value of 4 is 4000. Place value of 9 is 900. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 7 is 7. This one don't want in CW. Okay, na? I will show another one example. 6259. 6259. The place value of 6. See here. The place value of 6. After 6, 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. That means 30. This is the answer. 6000 will be the place value of 6. Next, 2 Varna. After 2, 2 digits. That means 20. The place value of 2 is 2000. Next, 5. After 5, only 1 digit. That means 0. That means the place value of 5 is 50. The last one 9. After 9, no digit. Therefore, answer is the place value of 9 is 9. Clear? Like that one simple technique, you can easily find out the place value of digits. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we can easily write the expanded form of a number. Next second concept, that is expanded form of a number. Next second concept, that is expanded form of numbers. Clear? What is the meaning of expanded form? The expanded form, it is nothing but sum of the place value of all the digits. Now listen here, this is the definition of expanded form. When a number is expressed as the, when a number it is expressed as the sum of the place value of its digits. That means we have to find out the all the place value. After that we have to do addition. That expanded, that is called expanded form of a number. Clear? Expanded form of a number, it is nothing but sum of the place value of the digits. Clear? In the previous we already discussed about how to find the place values of the digit. Here one example, that is 3475. 3475. Now this is called, this is the standard form of the number. Now this is the standard form of the number. Now we have to convert it is into expanded form. Clear? Now regarding this example I have taken, it is in the standard form. Now we have to convert this standard form into expanded form. Both converting to standard form into expanded form, as it is we can convert expanded form into the standard form. It is very simple. Clear? Then regarding the expanded form, first we have to find out the place value of the all the digits. Here we have to find out place value of 3, place value of 4, place value of 7, place value of 5. Now previously one simple technique ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ for expanded form, using that technique you can easily solve the problems. Clear? Now listen here. Now we have to find out the place value of 3, 4, 7 and 5. You can easily find out the place value. Yella place value madhye addition simple agtade. That is nothing but it is the expanded form of the numbers. Clear? Now listen here. First we come to 3. First we have to find out the place value of 3. Clear? After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digit means 30. Clear? That means the place value of 3 is 3000. Clear? Definition of expanded form, nothing but sum of the place value. Sum means addition. One finished, after the addition. Clear? Next, second one, 4. Now we have to find out the place value of 4. After 4, 2 digit, that means 20. Therefore, the place value of 4 is 4000. Again, sum of the place value. It is called expanded form. 7. We have to find out the place value of 7. Clear? Now, after 7, it contains only one digit. That means 0. 1, 0. Again plus. Last. 5. We have to find out the place value of 5. After 5, no digit. That means no 0. The place value of 5, it is 5. Now this is, we are called expanded form. Now Now this is we are called as expanded form. See here. Now this is the place value of 3. This is the place value of 4. Now this one is the place value of 7. Now it is the place value of 5. Sum of the place values. Clear? Total they are given 4 digit. The 4-digit place value. Sum of the place values of its digit is called expanded form of the number. Now it is in the standard form. Now it is in the expanded form. In the exercise 1.2, we have to convert standard form into expanded form and also expanded form into standard form. It comes in the exercise 1.2. Clear? Same in your CW. Again write the heading expanded form of a numbers, and this one up to here you have to copy in your CW. In the next class we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2. Okay, thank you one and all.